I'll be honest with you guys. I've never been a fashion guy. In fact, if clothes weren't socially required, I probably wouldn't think twice about them. My girlfriend is painfully honest about this. She constantly reminds me that my fits are, well, rarely on point. But after hearing that one too many times, I finally decided it's time for an upgrade. But instead of going to the mall, I'm solving this the only way I know how. I'm building an app. Just wear it. I'm building a website where you can upload a full body picture, type in a prompt like Japanese streetwear, formal tuxedo, or whatever vibe you want, and the AI will completely transform your outfit. It's basically a cheat code to becoming a fashionista, even for someone like me. This is going to be a really fun build. Grab a coffee, open up your editor, and let's get to it. But this video isn't about AI images. We're going to use AI to help us code a beautiful user interface. And I don't mean just writing a lazy one-liner prompt that spits out a generic, boring, AI-looking website. We all know those, and they aren't very good. We want our site to be appealing. We want it to stand out. We're going to be precise with our prompts and push the limits of what AI can help us build. Now, the biggest problem with using AI to build websites right now is how easy it is to accidentally create what I call AI slop. You know exactly what I mean. Those generic, blocky, lifeless templates that just scream, an AI made this. Usually this mistake happens in the workflow. People go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and type a 2-sentence prompt like, build me a fashion app. If you gave that prompt to a human engineer or designer, they'd ask you a dozen follow-up questions to figure out your vision. But AI doesn't do that. It just takes your short prompt and starts building immediately. So to avoid creating a terrible AI slop website, we're going to lock in a beautiful UI first using a tool called Google Stitch. And here is the secret sauce. Do not write that design prompt yourself. Step 1, chat with an LLM of your choice about your project, exactly like you're talking to a friend about a cool app idea. Step 2, once the AI actually understands your vision, ask it to write the highly detailed design prompt. And step 3, feed that master prompt into Google Stitch. What happens when you skip that step? I use a generic prompt. Design a sleek, responsive AI fashion web app called Just Wear It, creating a landing page and try-on interface, yada, yada, yada. And the result I get is this. This is your classic AI slop. It's functional, but it's boring. Now, let's do it the right way. I spent a few minutes chatting with the LLM of my choice, ironed out the vibe I wanted, and had it generate the design prompt. I won't read the whole thing because it's massive. I'll leave it in the video description for you to read, but watch what happens when I put that into Google Stitch. Boom. Look at this. It's absolutely night and day. Same AI model, same app idea, but by using the LLM to act as our translator, the quality skyrockets. Starting with a beautiful UI like this is crucial. Why? Because it's incredibly hard to escape AI slop once you're already deep in the code. If you start with bad code, trying to prompt the AI to make it look better is a nightmare. But if you generate the UI first, you can easily tweak it, re-roll it, and visually experiment until it's perfect. Also, seeing the design right in front of your eyes gives you a concrete goal. Once you lock in a great UI, you're honestly 80% done. Because here's the thing. Determining what makes a good UI is highly subjective. That's why you need the LLM's precise language to generate it. But the backend, the logic, that's more objective. It either works or it doesn't, which means it's super easy to validate, and AI is incredible at writing backend code that can be validated. So lock in your UI template first, make sure it looks stunning, and then we can have that AI stitch together the backend functionality. Let's get to it.